Hello students and everyone, welcome back to class 8th maths on my YouTube channel. We will begin practice at 15.3 on textbook page number 99. In quadrilateral ABCD, length of AB is equal to 13 cm, length of DC is equal to 9 cm, length of AD is equal to 8 cm. Find the area of quadrilateral ABCD. The figure given is trapezium. You have to use the formula of area of a trapezium if you are finding area of quadrilateral ABCD. Length of AB and length of DC are the two parallel lines of a trapezium. Length of AD is the height of a trapezium. First you have to write everything in question what was given. In quadrilateral ABCD, length of AB is equal to 13 cm, length of DC is equal to 9 cm, length of AD is equal to 8 cm. You have to find area of quadrilateral ABCD. If you are finding area of quadrilateral ABCD, you have to use the formula of area of a trapezium. Area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to half into sum of the lengths of parallel sides into height. Sum of the lengths of parallel sides means the two parallel sides AB and DC. You have to write addition form in bracket. That is equal to half into length of in bracket AB plus DC into length of AD is the height. Next step, you have to substitute the value of length of AB, length of DC and length of AD. That is equal to half into in bracket 13 plus 9 into 8. First you have to solve addition form of the number in bracket next step, and then you have to write multiplication form. 13 plus 9 how much? 22. That is equal to half into 22 into 8. You have to do two table cancellation of any one of the number. 2 ones are 2 fours are 8. That is equal to 22 into 4. 22 fours are 88. Therefore, area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to 88 square centimeter. Next, length of the two parallel sides of a trapezium are 8.5 cm and 11.5 cm respectively, and its height is 4.2 cm. Find its area. This is the rough figure of trapezium. The figure was not given of trapezium on question number 2. What is given in question, write it. Length of the two parallel sides of a trapezium is equal to 8.5 cm and 11.5 cm. Height of a trapezium is equal to 4.2 cm. You have to find area of a trapezium. Use the formula of area of a trapezium. The formula of area of a trapezium is half into sum of the lengths of the parallel sides into height. That is equal to half into in bracket 8.5 plus 11.5 into 4.2. You have to add first 11.5 plus 8.5 in bracket, and then you have to write multiplication form. The number 8.5 and 11.5 are the two parallel sides of a trapezium. That I wrote addition form of the number in bracket. Five plus 5, 10. 1 you have to carry up. The place of decimal point where there is, you have to put the decimal point down. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 8, 10. 1 you have to carry up, 0 bring it down. 1 plus 1 is 2. That is 20.0, means 20. After adding 11.5 plus 8.5, the answer is 20.0. That is equal to half into 20 into 4.2. Now you have to do two table cancellation of any one of the number. 2 ones are 2 tens are 20. That is equal to 10 into 4.2. If you are multiplying 4.2 into 10, the decimal point of the number 4.2 will shift after one digit. You have to remove the decimal point and it becomes 42. That is equal to 42. Therefore, area of a trapezium is equal to 42 square centimeter. Quadrilateral PQRS is an isosceles trapezium. Length of PQ is equal to 7 cm. Segment PM is perpendicular to segment SR. Length of SM is equal to 3 cm. Distance between two parallel sides is 4 cm. Find the area of quadrilateral PQRS. In question, what was given? First you have tried that. Quadrilateral PQRS is an isosceles trapezium. Length of PQ is equal to 7 cm. Segment PM is perpendicular to segment SR. Length of SM is equal to 3 cm. Distance between two parallel sides is equal to 4 cm. You have to find area of quadrilateral PQRS. Let segment QN is perpendicular to segment SR. Segment PM is perpendicular to segment SR is already given. Segment PM and segment QN are the distance between two parallel sides. Distance between two parallel sides are congruent. If length of PM is equal to 4 cm, then length of QN is also 4 cm. Therefore, length of QN is equal to 4 cm. Of this figure, first you have to take two right angle triangle, that is triangle PMS and triangle QNR. Of these two right angle triangle, you have to state the type of test of congruence of triangle. In triangle PMS and triangle QNR, segment PS is congruent to segment QR. Reason is hypotenuse sides are congruent. Segment PM is congruent to segment QN. Triangle PMS is congruent to triangle QNR by hypotenuse side test. Segment MS is congruent to segment NR. In bracket you have to write the reason: corresponding sides of congruent triangles. I wrote the short form of corresponding sides of congruent triangles, that is CSCT. If segment SM is equal to 3 cm, then segment RN is equal to 3 cm. Therefore, segment NR is equal to 3 cm. After taking two right angle triangles of this figure, you have to take quadrilateral PMNQ. Quadrilateral PMNQ is a rectangle. Segment PQ is congruent to segment MN. The reason is opposite sides of a rectangle are congruent. Therefore, segment MN is equal to 7 cm. Segment PQ is equal to 7 cm is already given. Now you have to find length of SR. Length of SR is equal to length of SM plus length of MN plus length of NR. That is equal to length of SM is 3 plus length of MN is 7 plus length of NR is 3. You have to add these numbers. Then you will get the answer, length of SR. 3 plus 7 plus 3. How much? 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 plus 3, 13. That is equal to 13 cm. Length of SR is equal to 13 cm. Now you have to find area of quadrilateral PQRS. Segment PQ and segment SR are the two parallel sides of a trapezium. Segment PQ is equal to 7 cm is already given. Segment SR is equal to 13 cm. Quadrilateral PQRS is the figure of trapezium. So you have to use the formula of area of a trapezium if you are finding area of quadrilateral PQRS. Area of quadrilateral PQRS is equal to half into sum of the length of parallel sides into height. That is equal to half into length of in bracket PQ plus SR into length of QN. Length of in bracket PQ plus SR are the sum of the length of parallel sides of a trapezium. Length of QN is the height of a trapezium. Next step, you have to substitute the value of length of PQ, length of SR and length of QN. That is equal to half into in bracket 7 plus 13 into 4. You have to add 7 plus 13 in bracket, and then after that you have to write multiplication form after adding 7 plus 13 in bracket. 7 plus 13 is how much? 20. That is equal to half into 20 into 4. You have to do 2 table cancellation of any one of the number. 2 ones are 2 tens are 20. Now you have to multiply the number 10 into 4. 10 fours are 40. That is equal to 40 square centimeter. Therefore, area of quadrilateral Pqrs is equal to 40 square centimeter. If you understood maths practice at 15.3, give us the feedback or comments. Subscribe the channel, like and share. Thank you.